Today, we're looking at the BOTLUXE E10 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, a self-emptying model promising powerful suction and smart navigation. It aims to offer hands-free cleaning with both vacuuming and mopping capabilities. Check the link in the description for the best price. Understanding this robot's actual capabilities helps set expectations for daily use. The core performance suggests it could be a useful budget robot. However, independent evidence for this specific model remains quite thin. Its app and voice controls offer convenient ways to manage cleaning schedules. This makes daily interaction relatively straightforward for users. The self-emptying base and the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously add practical benefits. This reduces the frequency of user interaction. Evidence regarding the long-term operational reliability of this model is quite limited. This makes it difficult to fully confirm consistent performance. This robot vacuum appears to be a potentially useful option within its budget category. However, a lack of specific, in-depth evidence limits strong conclusions. Evaluating whether the asking price aligns with the features and brand standing. This model offers high suction power and a self-emptying station, which are strong features for its particular price point. The brand is showing potential but lacks the extensive and long-standing market reputation of more established competitors. This impacts overall trust. It faces stiff competition from more proven, though often pricier, alternatives. Buyers should compare carefully before purchasing this option. This product's value proposition greatly improves with substantial discounts. This makes it a more attractive option against its competitors. The value of this robot significantly increases when it's available at a meaningful discount. This makes it more appealing against competitors. Potential buyers should understand possible risks to ensure a confident purchase. Independent data on the long-term durability and manufacturing consistency of this robot vacuum is limited. This presents a degree of uncertainty. Uncertainty exists regarding consistent performance over extended use periods. This is due to a lack of long-term independent data. The clarity and accessibility of post-purchase support and warranty claims are not yet strongly established for this brand. This is a point of concern. The robot requires 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is an important compatibility note. Broader evidence on the app stability is limited. Buyer risk is somewhat elevated for this model due to limited long-term and independent evidence. This makes it harder to assess thoroughly. The BOTLUXE E10 Plus positions itself as an accessible option for automated home cleaning. It delivers self-emptying convenience and smart navigation at a budget price point. However, limited independent evidence means buyers should proceed with caution and verify current details. We recommend waiting for a significant discount to mitigate the uncertainty surrounding its long-term performance and reliability.